How to be confident in life. Research shows that most men are scared of going out of their comfort zone, hesitant to face people, make decisions, or struggle with the fear of rejection. Don't worry, you are not the only one. It's so common between us that even most people are struggling with these fears. The first step to solving any problem is recognizing it, and you are here. It's proof that you have already recognized it. So let's move on to the solution that will transform your life, and you will never lack confidence. Hello, welcome to our latest video once again, and hit the subscribe button because, according to research, completing a task boosts your confidence. So why not start with the small one? We are going to discuss 9 things that will take your confidence to the next level, and do not miss the 7th one. Self-awareness. A wise man said, "Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom." Did you hear self-awareness, right? So what do you understand from it? Being aware of yourself. Yes, you are right, but it means a lot. According to research, self-awareness gives us clarity about ourselves, and we become more confident and creative, which leads to better communication. Self-awareness helps one see inside oneself, such as who they are, what they do, etc. You should check whether you are nervous or underconfident in any situation, and if you do, then take note of every such situation, or observe how you react or behave in such a situation, which will give you a self-analysis. With that, you will find out what you actually lack and what you can do to overcome it. It will give you an analysis of yourself, like what your strengths and weaknesses are. When you are self-aware of your abilities, your confidence builds and improves. Our strengths give us the confidence to improve our weaknesses. 2. Appearance. Are you wondering about hearing appearance? If you do, then don't worry, you are not alone. Most people don't give a damn about how they dress, which has a significant impact on their self-confidence. According to research, dressing well boosts confidence. And if someone praises your appearance, then not only your confidence, but even your self-esteem increases. Well, if I'm saying appearance, it doesn't only mean how we dress, but also personality. You all know Dwayne Johnson, also known as The Rock, knows the power of appearance. He built his personality, and we know he is a professional wrestler and one of the highest paid actors. But the question arises, how can you look appealing? Do workouts to shape your body and improve your posture? Plus, exercise has several benefits that not only improve your figure but also your physical health. So why not start doing it? 3. Confronting fears. Are you a person who always loves to live in their comfort zone? Then you must come out of your comfort zone. Otherwise, your comfort zone will not let you be a confident man. Because if you face your fears and overcome them, it will drastically boost your confidence. William Shakespeare once said, "Extreme fear can neither fight nor fly," and it means that your fear will not let you do anything and hinder your growth. That's why, if you want to be confident, you must overcome your fears. We all know Rowan Atkinson, also known as Mr. Bean. He was a shy, underconfident person since his childhood who even faced isolation, but we know where he is now. Would you believe me if I said he has an IQ of 178? But that is the truth. He is the one who makes us laugh with his weird and crazy actions. Don't you laugh while watching him? Yes, we all do. 4. Positive affirmations. Positive affirmations have the potential to change your perspective on yourself. If you think you can't do something, just replace it with, "You can do it," and repeat this line again and again. According to research, positive affirmation boosts our confidence when we need it the most. For example, you have participated in a speech competition and you are nervous. So if you use a positive affirmation such as, "I can do it," "I will be the best," etc., then your nervousness will reduce to a certain level, and the probability of performing well will increase. Have you ever heard about Will Smith? He is one of Hollywood's most bankable stars, but do you know what brings him there? You will be shocked to know that when he started positive affirmations, he stepped up in his acting career. He used to repeat, "I am the greatest actor in the world," which is the power of affirmations. 5. Practice. It's a simple way to overcome your fears and be confident. All you have to do is to practice wherever you lack confidence. If you see any name in the list of top 10 sports persons, you will find all practice daily. That's what makes them confident. Suppose you are underconfident in football, so all you need to do is practice football. Then with time, your confidence will gradually increase and a day will come when you can say confidently that you play football very well. Have you ever heard about Tiger Woods? He is a professional American golfer with a net worth of $110 million. He used to practice daily, which resulted in his big achievements. 6. Knowledge. If you have observed yourself, when you know something, you feel confident about it, don't you? So when you know all the essential aspects of life, you will be confident in life. You must have heard this quote, "A little knowledge is a dangerous thing." So take care that you have proper knowledge of the topic or area in which you want to be confident. We all know about Elon Musk. He knows various aspects of life. That's why he has unshakable confidence, which makes him different from others. 7. Take action. If you just gain knowledge, it is not sufficient until you use it or take action. Have you heard that there is no greater harm than that of time wasted? Which means if you don't take action on your knowledge, then the time will be wasted and what you left with will only be despair. Many times it happens that we just learn but don't take action, which leads to nothing because you are not using the information. Confidence doesn't only mean having knowledge or something. It's also about doing. And without it, you can't achieve something big. Take inspiration from Leonardo DiCaprio, who had his name on the list of the world's highest paid actors at the right time. He didn't get success just by gaining knowledge, but by taking action and being decisive where he needed to be. So, if you want to be confident in life, take action and see magic. You may take the wrong action, but it's okay, so learn from it and move ahead. 8. Learn skills. If you want to be confident in something specifically, you must acquire that skill. Let's say that if you want to be a successful software engineer or something, you must have skills. If you feel underconfident in an interview, it means you lack those skills. So what you have to do to be confident here is to get those skills. Take the example of any actor. They are confident because they have acting skills, right? Acquire skills, then see magic. Your confidence will touch the sky. 9. Appreciation. Appreciation. Have you heard about it? You might hear, but never get appreciated, right? Yes, but why are we discussing it? Of course, because it plays an important role in building confidence. Let's dive into your childhood when your parents compare you to your siblings, aren't they? One who gets a pretty good score is much appreciated by the parents, which boosts the self-esteem, and it's a closely connected term to confidence, ultimately leading to confidence. While the other one who gets low marks is scolded, which hurts the self-esteem, and confidence hurts too. You should take the energy from appreciation, but at the same time, you should avoid negativity, embrace failures, and learn from them. Let's recall the 9 things that we have discussed. 1. Self-awareness. 2. Appearance. 3. Confront fears. 4. Positive affirmation. 5. Knowledge. 6. Take action. 7. Learn skills. 8. Practice. 9. Appreciation. These are the 9 things that, if you develop them, you will be the next successful man. Do you know the 5 daily habits every man must do to succeed? Do check this video out. If you get some value from this video, share it with others who need it. Who knows? Maybe this video will increase the confidence of that person. Hit the like button if you found it worthy and added some value to your life. If you think it's something that will help others be confident, comment about it right away. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish. I will see you in the next video.